Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Roblox games on Android and iOS full guide. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go and open Google on your phone. Now once you have done that, you want to go to the search bar and type out Roblox. Now what you want to do is you want to go and tap on the first link you see that says Roblox. So I'm just speeding up the video for you guys so you can see all I have to do now is simply continue an app because I have my login saved on my browser. So now if you don't have your login saved, all you want to do is log in. And if you don't have an account, you just want to go and set up an account. So I'm just going to proceed with all the steps now and continue an app. So you can see I'm in my Roblox app right now. What you want to do is go to the bottom right corner and tap on more. Then you want to scroll down and then tap on create now. What we have to do now is download the Roblox Studio because that's where we will be able to create games. So scroll down and you can see it. It says right here, get Roblox Studio, and all you have to do now is simply tap on download now. Once you've done that, you will be able to create games on Roblox Studio, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.